The success story of Micro really started with one machine, and what we brought in with the Micro platform is that we combined this success story of the Micro with a new technical development we saw out there.
Kern is working in the field of high accuracy, high surface quality, high repeatability. This is what Kern stands for. The MicroHD is the crowning of the Micro machine platform because of the combination of hydrostatic guides and linear drives.
We have highest dynamics, we have highest precision, we have no wear and very high reliability. And so MicroHD, with this technology differentiation that we achieve, plus all the advantages of a serial machine with very high quality standards, availability, and of course also a cost benefit.
For our customers, total cost of ownership plays a very important role. And if we think of it at a first glance, we always talk about energy consumption, air pressure consumption. This was a main development aspect of the Micro platform, and especially the MicroHD.
Reducing machining time means reducing cost, and this is what makes our customers more competitive than other companies. Time is money.
With the Micro platform, we can see that we and also our customers can achieve better results, and this in 3 and also in 5 axes. With the Micro platform, you can use very, very tiny tools with the smallest diameter, about 10 micron, and also you can use end mills with a diameter of 16 millimeters and go hard in the steel. The additional technologies in the MicroHD helps us to combine different technologies. Today we can mill apart, and also we can use jig grinding on one machine in one clamping position.
In the market we are not alone, but the combination of hydrostatic and linear drives is unique.
One of the USPs of the MicroHD is the MicroStep, a hydrostatic bearing system. One surface is swimming on the other. There's only a thin film, less than 10 micron, between the two parts. A hydrostatic system leads to higher stiffness and high precision over the whole machine lifetime because there's no wear in the guideway. Our system in the MicroHD is standalone because of the very low height of the gap size of the hydrostatic and the combination with the linear drive motor. Extended temperature management means that we firstly introduce more cooling channels in the right places in terms of design. And secondly, we increase the flow rate of cooling medium through the structure components. The third development is that we now also have a far higher precision in temperature control.
With the combination of the technologies, we can produce parts we never could before. But what we can see with the Micro platform, the usability, it's less necessary to know so much about the process. And today with the MicroHD, you switch on the machine and you can start to produce your parts.
If you start a development like the Micro platform, you have 2 different worlds you have to bring together. To have a revolution on the customer side while having an evolution for the internal stuff.
And that was the idea behind the platform and also the MicroHD. Having a machine that is faster, more precise, super reliable, can do lots of chips and move boundaries in achieving very, very good parts, high demanding parts. The customer benefits from a high performance machine at a very good price value, and the customer gets exactly what he needs.
What's needed today in the global market is differentiation, and therefore you need to take the next step in technical development and bring more precision to the part, more productivity to the shop floor, and this is what customers are searching for.
The Micro machine platform offers flexibility. We have upgrades, updates, we have additional packages that can be retrofitted, so the machine can be individually adapted to the customer's needs, which can change every day.
Flexibility is what Kern is all about, and we do that in training as well. The perfect setup is here in Eschenlohe. We have the Kern training center, we have the whole facility, we have the experts there, we have all kind of platform machines here, and this is where we know we can most effectively train our customers. What makes a success story out of buying a Kern machine? It's the communication with the customer to find out where can we help and then fulfill the needs where we can help.
Demands of our customers are getting higher and higher, and they feel the pressure from the market, and we feel that pressure, and that's our challenge. In fact, the customer doesn't need a machine, he needs a solution producing his parts.
I'm sure we pushed the boundaries with the HD. The application engineers who milled so many years, and then they told me, Alex, it's unbelievable what this machine can achieve. It's fantastic.
For me personally, this whole micro-platform project is very special. It started 4 years ago on a whiteboard, but then it affected the whole team of Kern. And now 4 years later we see that it's working. The picture comes together, we have satisfied customers out there, we moved the boundary of what's technically possible, and this is something which makes me really proud.
When I see the machine, I'm a little bit proud, but on the other side, it's my job.
The MicroHD creates wishes, and I love to fulfill that wishes.
The MicroHD is one of the best machines I ever have seen.
I simply love the machine. It just looks fabulous, and we over-delivered of the things that we wanted to achieve. This is also a paradigm change for us and a strategy for the future. So this platform idea gives so many advantages for us and for the customer that for the next years, for sure, this is going to be our technology platform.